welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time seeing me, hi, my name is Placida. I hope you enjoy your stay and I hope you do subscribe to become part of the family. And if you're a returning subby, if you are a returning baby, what's popping? It's been a while since I did a GRWM makeup video, and it's not as if I've not been shooting content, but I've just not been recording it. But exams are in a few weeks and I want to shoot a bunch of content down. I want to shoot them down so that I will not have to stress during exam week trying to look for content to post. Okay, so I said, why not? I have been struggling for a while now with shooting and posting content. I recently uploaded a vlog, I think 3 days ago or 4 days ago, I don't know. That vlog was when did this start? I think it started June. It was a June vlog, June stroke July. It was June and July, and I posted it in September. I have been so lazy and demotivated to shoot content because I was like, what's the use? I don't even have up to 50 views in the vlog, so like, why post? You know. And the problem is that I feel like no matter what I shoot, it's not gonna get views. It's just not gonna get views. So why bother? But I forget that little drops of water makes a mighty ocean. But most times it's hard. It's hard to just pick up the camera and just sit and be like, hey guys, it's hard. Enough of talking about my struggles with creating content. Let's talk about what I did, what I've been up to. So in the vlog I posted, if you haven't watched it, please go watch it. Now I'm just applying primer because although I just want to shoot content, I still want the makeup to like hold. I still want the makeup to last. So if you haven't watched my previous vlog, the vlog I just recently posted, go back and watch it before watching this video. Go back and watch it. It's not me to look at the camera, I'm looking at the phone, I'm looking at myself. It's not me to look at the camera. Just bear with me. So if you haven't watched that vlog, go watch it now. I got a new baby. I got a cat. She's American short hair. She's so cute. She's the cutest thing I have ever seen. Okay, her name is Rain, R-E-I-G-N. Her full name is Good Rain. She clocked 8 weeks yesterday. Yesterday was Tuesday, right? Yeah, she clocked 8 weeks yesterday. And sincerely guys, it has been a roller coaster. It has been a roller coaster of emotions, and my whole routine basically had to change so I could fit her in. Okay, and I have loved every second that she has been with me. I could not ask for more, although I could, but I could not ask for more. I live alone, so it's like it's perfect for her. It's perfect for me to own a pet, since I live alone and I do not have a roommate, nothing, and my room is quite big. So yeah, everything worked out fine, and I had to look for a vet close to me that I could run into for emergencies, and also a vet store that I could get her things, her food, toys, and other stuff. I am yet to get a very good litter sound for her, but we're still on the hunt for that. And before I continue, this looks like my perfect foundation shade, but I actually mix. So these are the foundations I use. These are two different foundations. This one is dark, this one is light. This one is in the shade dark cocoa. This one is in the shade dark cocoa, while this one is just a number. This is number 380. I mix these two to get my shade because I have not found my perfect foundation shade yet, but I'm still on the search for that. I also use a red lipstick for my blush because that stays longer. That stays longer on me, and I love the shade of red. Let me use my phone so I can tell them. And I really love the shade of red it gives my face. I know I look crazy right now, but trust process. Another thing we have a new addition to the family. My mom remarried. Yeah, she has been a single mother for almost 8 years. Yeah, and I am happy for her, of course. Yeah, so the wedding happened in August. If you watch my vlog, you understand most of the things I'm about to say in this video. If you watch my vlog, so if you've not watched it, this is another reminder. Go back and watch it. Okay, I am super happy to have additional siblings, but I was kind of hoping that at least I will have an elder one so that I won't be the firstborn, but unfortunately I'm still the firstborn with more younger siblings. I'm so happy. Now you can see that it is all blended well. Now let's move to powder. Time is not on my side. I've realized that I've spent a little bit of time talking and everything, but I'm still gonna tell you guys what's been going on in my life. Another thing that happened is I was supposed to launch my business in August, but things did not quite work out. Things did not quite work out for me, so I said September. Now I'm moving it again because I have realized that all those while I was trying to speed things up, I was trying to rush it, and I could make mistakes if I rush it. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. I want to take my time to really arrange everything, to really set everything up, and to launch when I know it is done. So instead of saying, okay, I'm going to launch next week, I'm going to launch this one, I will be launching in November. I have pushed it to November because I want to launch before the year is over. Also, if you don't know what my business is, I sell body enhancement products, I sell weight gain products, butt enlargement products, boobs enlargement products, appetite booster, and other products. I am a testament of my products because I tested it on myself first before I started selling, so I will know if what I am selling to the public will work. Okay, so I used it on myself first, then I'm about to launch, but I have unofficially launched because I started selling the product. Yeah, so it's like we're still in the period of testing. So yeah, now for I think the second to the last part of the makeup, I don't know, my lips has always been a challenge. Like, I don't be knowing what to do on my lips most of the time, and the lips make or break the whole makeup look. The lips is a very important part. It ties everything together or destroys everything. So okay, like I said, trust the process. We're heading somewhere. We're heading somewhere. So how's this? I don't know if it fits the makeup, but I do like the lip combo. Yeah, we tried. Now this is my first time using this color of line to line my lips, and let me show you how I achieved that. I have this shade of lip gloss and I have this shade of lip gloss. I just blended them together again. I mixed things a lot in my whole makeup. I think I mixed every single thing, even to get my concealer shade I mixed. So this is a new technique I'll be trying year on out. So this is the final look. This is the final look. This is the final look. This is the fucking final look. This is the final look, guys. How did we do? How did we do? Rate my makeup in the comment section from 1 to 10. How did I do? This brings us to the end of this video. The time right now is 4:28. So let me wrap this up and go shoot content. Thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. Till next time, guys. Bye.